A doorknob, a ubiquitous fixture in our daily lives, holds a profound secret. For centuries, the doorknob has been a steadfast companion, turning with precision and reliability. However, its seemingly mundane existence belies a complex web of mathematical patterns. As we delve into the world of doorknobs, we discover a hidden universe governed by the laws of geometry and physics. Imagine a doorknob as a miniature, intricately designed machine, where every turn and rotation is a carefully orchestrated dance of gears and levers. But that's not the strangest part. The doorknob's rotational symmetry is a product of its cylindrical shape, which allows it to rotate smoothly around its central axis. This phenomenon occurs when the cylindrical shape is divided into equal segments, each rotated by a specific angle. It's like a giant, mechanical top, where the forces of friction and gravity are balanced in a delicate equilibrium. Scientists have discovered that the optimal angle for a doorknob's rotation is around 30 degrees. This angle allows for maximum torque and minimal friction, making it ideal for everyday use. And then something unexpected happened. As I began to explore the mathematics behind doorknobs, I stumbled upon a fascinating connection to the Fibonacci sequence. The sequence, which describes the ratio of consecutive numbers in a series, appears in the very fabric of the doorknob's design. For instance, the number of grooves on a typical doorknob follows a Fibonacci pattern. Each groove is separated by a specific distance, which is also a Fibonacci number. This intricate pattern is a testament to the doorknob's remarkable mathematical harmony. But what does this mean for us? The doorknob's mathematical patterns have real-world consequences, influencing the way we design and build our physical spaces. It's a reminder that even the most mundane objects hold secrets and surprises waiting to be uncovered. The doorknob, in all its simplicity, is a window into a world of mathematical wonder.
As we continue to explore the intricacies of the doorknob, we begin to appreciate the beauty and complexity of the world around us.
Want to learn more about the fascinating world of mathematical patterns in everyday life? Subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories like this. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the doorknob's mathematical secrets. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.